Hello! Tips and Substitutions Part 2 from Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's begin with the egg test. Fill the glass with cold water, then submerge the egg. If the eggs sink to the bottom and lay flat on its side, it's still fresh. However, if they sink but stand on one end at the bottom of the glass or bowl, they're not as fresh but still edible. If it floats, it means it's old and needs to be discarded. Now, when making meringue, eggs are easiest to separate when they're cold because the yolk is firmer and less likely to break. But when it comes to beating the egg whites, it's best to have them at room temperature. Avoid tiny drop of egg yolk or water in the egg whites. Bowls and beaters must be clean and grease-free because those will interfere with the formation of a good foam. When recipe calls to beat until stiff, that means glossy peaks that stand straight and the mixture won't move when you tilt the bowl. Folding egg whites into a batter creates a light and fluffy consistency. First, stir about 1/4 of your whipped egg whites into your batter. Folding is a more gentle mixing technique than stirring or mixing. Then continue folding the remaining whipped egg whites. When folding, you want to be careful not to overmix so that you don't let too much air out of the batter. No fresh milk, but you have evaporated milk. For every cup of fresh milk, combine 1/2 cup evaporated milk and 1/2 cup water. Now you have 1 cup of fresh milk. Is your baking soda still good? Just combine the vinegar or lemon juice and baking soda. There's no need to measure. It should start to fizz immediately and vigorously. The baking soda will work well for baking recipes. Is the weather too cold to make breads? You can proof the bread in the oven. Just place a baking dish on the bottom rack of the oven and fill it with boiling water. Stash your dough on the middle or top rack and shut the door. Dough rise faster in a warm and humid environment. Exactly what you want for a good rise. No powdered sugar? No problem. In a blender, combine 2 cups sugar and 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Cornstarch is important as it keeps the sugar dry. Blend it together until fine. Still greedy? Continue blending. Now you have your own powdered sugar, also called icing sugar or confectioner's sugar. Stay tuned for part 3. Thanks for watching!